Delicious spinach koftas in flavorful creamy gravy. This curry offers the goodness of spinach in the tastiest way. Let's make Palak Kofta Curry. In a bowl, I am taking 500 grams of spinach or palak leaves that I have chopped finely, half a cup of gram flour or besan, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chillies finely chopped, and 100 grams of crumbled paneer. Mix and bring everything together. To make koftas out of this palak mixture, I am firstly greasing my palms with oil. And next, I am taking small portions of the mixture and rolling them into koftas or balls. These are done. I have here oil on heat. I am sliding the koftas one by one into the hot oil. While I am deep frying, you can even shallow fry, bake or air fry the koftas. The koftas are fried. For the curry, in a pan, I am taking 4 tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 onions roughly chopped, 2 green chillies, 1 inch ginger cut into pieces, 5 garlic cloves, 10 to 12 cashews, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 1 inch cinnamon stick, and 3 small cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of water. I am closing the lid and letting the veggies soften. This would take 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check. The veggies have softened. I am letting them cool down a bit. Once cool, I am removing the bay leaf and transferring everything else to a grinder. Smooth gravy base is ready. Next, in a pan, I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and the gravy base. Bring everything together. At last goes in 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, and 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. Mix in and let the gravy simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Smooth and creamy gravy is ready. For immediate serving, I am firstly pouring the gravy in the serving dish and then placing the koftas. A final garnish with chopped coriander leaves and we are done. Pair up the koftas with hot rotis or naan and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.